everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to change the start screen in CoinGecko application using your Android or iOS device. If you want to quickly access the section you want most, such as market list, portfolio, trending coins, etc., then you can easily change the start screen in the CoinGecko mobile application. First of all, open the CoinGecko app on your device and log in. From the main homepage of CoinGecko, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, go ahead and look for the default start screen button and tap on the drop-down right next to it. Now select the start screen option. Choose the screen you want CoinGecko to open up as soon as you open up the application. After making a selection, force close the application and open it up again. And this time, you'll be able to see that you have successfully changed the start screen in CoinGecko. This small customization can save time and make tracking crypto prices and portfolios more convenient. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.